just who you are. You've lived this life.
Hey my kings and queens, this is Shaniqua, aka Petitely Natural, and I am coming to you with my first hair video actually. It's about my hair. I started my Loc Journey a couple of days ago and I'm really excited about it. And so this video or this channel is going to be about hair, spirituality, love, kindness, all great things that's going to help us to grow and to become unified. That's what we are, unity. All right. I do hope that you enjoy this video. I will post every Sunday just to kind of give you thoughts of where I'm at, what's going on with my hair, to give you the tea. That's what you're here for. You're here for the tea. If you like it, please hit the thumbs up, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so that every time I post, you can see those posts. You don't want to miss a thing, okay? And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. And I just want to end it by saying how much I love you. Enjoy. I am locking my hair. This will be the fourth time that I am locking my hair in my entire life. I've been this way. Let me see. I cut my hair for the third time when I was 25. And I'm 39 now. So that's about 9-10 years that I've had my hair this way, and I've cut it. I've cut this a couple of times. So I'm ready to go back to my love, and locking is my love. So as you can see, I am doing it myself. I'm doing traditional locks, but this time I'm going to do my locks a lot smaller than what they were prior to when I had them before. And that is just, I'm using 2 mirrors to make sure that my parts are straight. This is my first time. Can you stop? Can you stop? This is my first time ever making sure that my parts are straight. Before, I would just take pieces of hair and I would just 2-strand twist them. But I want them to look really neat and uniformed. So I'll be back. Wish me luck. Okay, it is 8 o'clock at night. I started about 12 and I finished about 7 p.m. 12 p.m. in the afternoon, finished at 7 p.m. Reason being though is because I've had to stop several times, but this is the finished look. I hope you can see it all, and I love it. I do. I love it. I know that this is the beginning. And, you know, it's going to get more voluminous as the time goes on, as it locks. But I love it. It just makes me feel like home. Now, mind you, I've had dreads before. 3 times in my life. This will make the 4th time. And it was the happiest time of my life. In my hair journey, it was the absolute happiest. And I'm just really excited to get back to that space again. And so I'm in love with my hair. I really am. And you can tell, and because I have fine hair, you know, it looks a little scalpy. And also you could tell that one side is shorter than the other, because I would do a lot of crocheting and I would end up cutting my hair out mistakenly trying to get the crochet out. That was another one of the reasons why I was like, I'm done with this. I'm done. That's a whole nother video. But I just wanted to show you the finished look. Tell me what you think. Because I am in love. I'm in love. I'm just in love. And I'm excited because I know that the outcome is going to be amazing. It already looks really good now. But I know that when this thing really getting up in there and them locks really get to sticking and licking, and it's going to do its thing. I did leave my ends a little curly because I just wanted to do something different this time around and see how that looks. So, hope that y'all like it. Comment, leave a comment, like, subscribe, because I will come back and let y'all know, give you some updates on where I am. If you want to know any additional details, I am glad to share it with you. And sisters, kings, queens, enjoy your night. And I hope that you are in love with yourself and enjoying your time here in this universe at this point. Namaste. So these are some still photos of my hair after I locked it. And I am still very much in love. To my surprise, I was actually able to take a afro, what do you call it? One of those ponytails, an afro one. And I was just able to attach it to my ponytail. And it literally looked like I had braids or twists, and I had a ponytail in the back. So I just wanted to show y'all that because, you know, it just shows the versatility of your locks and the different things that you can still do with them, even though your hair is locked. Y'all, look at that. How amazing is it to be able to do this when I had my locks prior to now? You know, I didn't know that I can do all these different things in these different styles. So getting them this time and, you know, being able to immediately put me on my afro, you know, extension, it just really made me excited to go on this journey. Now, my daughter, she did tell me, Mom, let me do your edges. Now, that's something that I'm learning, y'all. I'm not really well versed in the whole edge department, but I still loved it. I felt sexy. I feel amazing with having my hair, y'all. And I hope you like it too. Tell me what you think. I am very much open to comments and I do respond to them. I do hope that you love this journey as well as I, and I hope that you come along with me on it. I will make sure to post more pictures as I go on. Again, y'all, this is literally day 2 of my locking journey, and I just wanted to share this with y'all. I hope that you enjoyed and have an amazing locking journey with me.
To shift, I wanna dive deeper within. It's do or die, it's sink or swim.